Procurement Express is able to operate in multiple currencies. So how does that work? Well, every company that you create in Procurement Express has a base currency, and that base currency is used for creating budgets. It's used for approvers and approval limits and things like that. And everything gets translated back into the base currency. But then you can add any extra currencies that you want. So if you imagine that you're working in a company in the US, but you buy things from overseas, you often have to create purchase orders for those companies overseas in the currency where the company is situated. So you might have to create a purchase order in British pounds or in euros or in Chinese yuan, something like that. So what you can do is you can add currencies. I'm on the creation currency page here. You go into company settings and you can add extra currencies. Now, we can do this because we're logged in as a company admin. So you have to have the company admin role to be able to do this. I can add those currencies. I can add British pounds and I can add euros. What happens then is that when I add those currencies get added to the system, and now I can create purchase orders, purchase order requests in either US dollars, British pounds, or euros. Now, it shows here that we have the currency rate. The currency rate is available to us, and we can update that currency rate on a day-to-day basis or whenever we like. Now, a lot of our customers that use multiple currencies would update their currency rates on a monthly basis. They would choose a default or an average rate, and they would update that. But other customers like the rate to update on a day-to-day basis, and you can have that done automatically. We'll pull the currency rates from xc.com and we'll update them for you. So you can click on this checkbox here, and that will update the currency rates for you at 12 a.m. UTC time every single evening. Okay, so we saved that and we've got our rates. Now what happens is when we go to create a new purchase request, which we'll do, we're going to create a new purchase request, and the currency box will show up there and it will ask us what currency we want to use. So we'll save that and we'll go and create a new purchase request. And now when we create a new purchase request, we have a currency box and we can choose what currency is available and what we want to use for this particular purchase request. Now, users can have a default currency rate as well. So that means that if you've got a satellite office that's situated in another country, you can set them with a default currency rate, those particular users, and when they log in, every purchase order they create is associated with that default currency rate. So that's quite useful. So we create a currency in, a purchase request in GBP here. Now that's going to translate everything down to US dollars when it comes to other currencies.